Because I really like to automate things like robots and process in order to help people. Why did I choose Angers? For the green spaces, the spacious city, and because it's a very good place to live. What I like about the campus is the free-to-go classrooms, the never-ending lab equipment, and the ability to work on personal projects or classrooms projects.
So here in the university we have three options. So the first one is AII, so the automatism option, all about automating things and processes. The second one is the ESE, so it's like the unblocked system, all about small components and working with tight dimensions. And the third one is the EME, so all about the electricity and the high current, high voltages. So here in GEII we have two types of classes. We have theoretical courses as much as practical courses. So in theoretical courses we may have CM, and we also have just TD, so it's just in a small classroom. And for the practical one, we have a TP, where we can work on projects as much as learn things by doing exercises and such. Matter of fact, we have a component shop where we have the liberty to take components to work on these said school or personal projects. In my case, I have made a macro keyboard that allows me to have shortcuts on different apps to be faster and more effective in my workflow, as much as when playing games to mute myself or quit a call before anyone else.
With that said, we hope to see you soon by your side at the university.